Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can deploy our Next.js app on Vercel. We will be deploying this Vercel app. This app is just a front end only, and many beginners find it really difficult to host their app on Vercel or any other platforms. But if you are using Next.js, Vercel is really easy and neat solution to host your front-end apps. You don't have to need any domain. Vercel will assign you a unique domain, or you can also add your own domain there if you have. And there are some prerequisites that you need to have. First is your Next.js app running locally without any build fails or without any errors. I'm going to show you how you can check the build errors and how can you create your build locally and test it. So whenever you publish your app on Vercel, that there will be no errors. Now we have our app running on our local host, and the first step is to create your Git repository on your GitHub account. So you can go to the GitHub and create new GitHub repository here, and I will be naming it as, let's say, Next.js blog. You can give any name that you want here, and I will be creating the Git repository. Now we have created the GitHub repository here, and you might have noticed that I already initialized our Git in our local project, and you have to do the same here. And after that, you can go here and add your data first. Let's say git add. It will add our changes in our repo. What you can do is you can copy this and directly paste it, as I have already added our changes in Git. So it will step by step run those commands, and it will push my code on our GitHub repository. Let's say I'm publishing my branch for now. Let's see how we can create a build and see whether there are any errors or not. So you have to stop your current running server. So I'm stopping here. Then let me zoom it a bit. Getting too much. Then you have to type command npm run build. It will create an optimized build of your whole React app or Next.js app. This command will also work for React. If it is creating your build successfully, then there are no errors and we can deploy this. So as I can see here, there are no any errors. So I can directly deploy this app on our Vercel. Now let me go to the Vercel here, and you have to log in here. I have already logged in here, and whenever you go here, you will see that continue with GitHub, continue with GitLab. So since we have added or uploaded our project on GitHub, we will be using GitHub to import our project. And whenever you complete that, you will see your Git repository is here, and if not, then we have to create a new project here. So let's see how we can create that new project. Go to the home on Vercel and type on add new. Then you will see a project here. Click on that. Then we can see our GitHub repository is already reflecting here. You just have to import that repository on your Vercel. So click on import. Then by default, keep everything as it is. And let's say if you have any specific build command, then you can add here after enabling this button. And you can set your environment variables. So this is important part. If you have used environment variable inside your project, for example, I have used this. I haven't used this, but if you have used this, then you can directly copy paste this environment variables here. Let's say I'm doing like this. Then you can click on deploy, and you can also add more, and you can directly import your env from here. Okay, so we have deployed our app on Vercel. There was an error that you need to resolve. Just whenever you try to create our project, just enable the npm next build and the install commands and try to redeploy it. You will able to see that your project has been deployed. So you can go back, you can click on your project, or you can go to your project from here. Let's say next blog, and let's see, there are some deployments. You can see here is a link of your project. You can click it and you can see your project. So let's click it, and yeah, you can see that your Next.js project has been deployed on the Vercel. You can check your project whether it's working fine or not. Every route should work fine, and there are a couple of ways that you can also add your own domain here. If you have any domain, you can edit it, and you can buy or add existing domains as well. And if we talk about Vercel more, then if you go to the home, there are other options as well to deploy your app. Let's say I'm importing it, and you can select which framework we are using. You can also deploy Node.js app as well. So Vercel is a really popular tool to deploy your apps. It's pretty simple. You just need to have a GitHub account and a Vercel account, and it gives you 1 GB of storage to host your apps. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about this video, or if you want more advanced deployment tutorials, please let me know in the comment section. I will create it. Thank you for watching.